Hi, I'm Linda Allegro, the director of the New Sanctuary Network, and along with Miriam Martin from the Immigrant Resource Network at the College of Law at the University of Tulsa, together we're going to put together a series of videos to inform the community on how they can prepare if a loved one is detained or deported by ICE. In this video, we are going to talk about how to keep our children safe, how to prepare our children. Hola, soy Linda Allegro, la directora de la Red Nuevo Santuario, y en conjunto con la abogada Miriam Martin del Immigrant Resource Network de la Facultad de Leyes de la Universidad de Tulsa, vamos a hacer una serie de videos para informar a la comunidad de qué hacer si hay una detención, una deportación de un ser querido en su familia. El primer video se trata de cómo preparar a sus hijos, cómo mantener a sus hijos en un lugar seguro.
Hello everyone, my name is Mimi Martin. I am the director of the Tulsa Immigrant Resource Network that is a part of the University of Tulsa Legal Clinic. I'm going to talk to you today about some ways to assist you in the event that you or your family members are detained by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, or in the event that you are actually deported from the United States. So the first thing we want to talk about is how to make sure your children are safe in the unfortunate event of you being arrested and detained by ICE. And one of the things that you can do is to find a probate or a family lawyer and have them draft a couple of documents. One is a power of attorney that relates to your children. So if you are arrested, detained, deported, that power of attorney comes into effect and names someone who can take custody of your children temporarily. And the reason that's important is because if you are a single parent, or if both parents are arrested and detained, without a power of attorney, without someone who's named as guardian, your children can end up in foster care. So one of the things that's really important is for you to get this power of attorney. And it names whoever you want to name to take care of your children in the event of an arrest or deportation. And we would just caution you that in Oklahoma, and especially in these times, the best person to name as that guardian is someone who has either a green card or is a U.S. citizen. And the reason is because if they have no papers, they are just as much at risk as you are. And Oklahoma law does not allow them to be a guardian. So you need to find someone who is a resident, or which means they have the green card, or a U.S. citizen. The second type of document that you want help drafting with is what happens to your property. So if you own a home or a business or a car, what is going to happen to those pieces of property in the event that you are arrested? So again, you would need to contact an attorney, like a probate attorney, to draft documents that say who has the power over those pieces of property in the event that you are detained.
¿Cómo hacemos para prepararnos en el evento de que un ser querido es detenido o deportado por la migración? ¿Cómo aseguramos que nuestros hijos no vayan a foster care, que no vayan a un orfanato? Primero lo que tenemos que hacer son dos documentos que tenemos que tener preparados. El primer documento es para lo que se llama darle el poder legal a una persona, a un familiar. Ese poder legal tiene que ir a una persona que sea ciudadano o que tenga el estatus legal en los Estados Unidos. O sea, no podemos dar el poder legal a una persona indocumentada. Entonces, lo primero es conseguir un abogado especialista en ley de familia que puede hacer el documento para nosotros de poder legal. Segundamente, tenemos que preparar qué hacer con nuestras posesiones, con nuestras cosas, casa o carro, o muebles, cualquier cosa en nuestra posesión, nuestra cuenta de banco. Esas cosas también lo tiene que manejar un abogado de sucesión. También la persona encargada tiene que ser un ciudadano o un residente legal. Tenemos que poner esas cosas en orden para estar atentos y prepararnos en el evento de una detención por ICE.